Hello viewers, in last video I have shown how to install Visual Studio Code in Windows 11. If you have not already watched, please click on link below in description. Today in this video, I will show you how to install some extensions for React development. Extension make your development quicker and easier. It works as IntelliSense. You can install multiple number of extensions as you need during your application development. Let's get started. In order to install extension, go to extension, then search for ReactJs snippet. Couple of results are listed. Click on top one from list. This extension work for ES7, React, Redux, React Native. Then click on install. Snippet is installed. Now we will try few example how it work and what are its benefit. For that, go to File Explorer. In left menu, click on new file icon to create a JS file. It will create a file inside your folder, project folder. Then hit enter. Then check whether your development mode is JavaScript or not from a right bottom language selection option. If not, then search for React or JavaScript. Then select JavaScript to change language mode. Now let's try few shortcuts we get in ReactJs snippet. RCC, hit enter. Class component skeleton is created. RAF CP, then hit enter. Another class component skeleton with props is created. Similarly, ELG, create log console.logs. Then CLO, console.log with objects. CLL, it will clear your console. Suppose we want some React component with Redux, then we can type RFC Redux, then hit enter. It creates React component with Redux. This extension is also helpful for React Native mobile app development. Say example RNC, hit enter. So it imports component from React Native. I have also shared link where you will get more shortcut provided in ReactJs snippet. Let's try another extension, bracket pair colorization, which help finding starting and ending brackets when you have 1000 line of code in one JS file. Similarly, in order to install bracket pair colorization extension, go to extension, then search for bracket pair colorization, then click top one from search result, then click on install. Our extension is installed. Now go to file index.js. We created in File Explorer. You may clearly see that the bracket have different color with same color in starting and ending brackets. This helps you finding brackets during syntax error in code. In next video, I will show you how to set up React development environment. So please like, comment and subscribe my channel for my future tutorials. Thank you for watching my video.